Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about MIRXES-B interim report. MIRXES Holding Company Limited offers a range of businesses and services including diagnostic solutions for cancer screening, for cardiovascular diseases, metabolic disease screening, infectious disease screening, research, development, and manufacturing of biotechnology products, development and production of life science and medical science related products, COVID-19 RT-qPCR test kits. The company's product portfolio includes GastroClear, LungClear, and Fortitude COVID-19 RT-qPCR test kits. The MIRXES-B stock price has skyrocketed by over 91.5% in the past year due to several key events. Its successful initial public offering, IPO, in May 2025 marked a significant milestone, with the stock opening 24.5% higher on its debut and closing up 33.9% at HKD 31.2 on the gray market. The company's strong position in mRNA-based early cancer detection, particularly with its flagship product GastroClear, contributed to a nearly 11% surge in August 2025. However, it was the inclusion of MIRXES-B in the Hang Seng Composite Index and Stock Connect eligibility in September 2025 that triggered an intraday surge of over 35%, pushing the stock to a record high of HKD 59.5. This marked a more than 150% increase from its IPO price, driven by enhanced liquidity and investor interest resulting from these indices. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in the company's financial performance can be attributed to several key factors. Revenue growth was primarily driven by strong sales of GastroClear TM and LungClear TM in Asia's growing cancer diagnostics market, commercialization of new products, and a significant increase in sales of diagnostic kits and other products. Additionally, net foreign exchange gains and other income contributed to the revenue growth. These factors resulted in a 178% increase in sales of diagnostic kits and other products. On the other hand, revenue decline was mainly due to the cessation of Fortitude TM sales due to a declining COVID-19 testing market, leading to a $2.6 million revenue decline in the infectious diseases segment. Net income and profit margins experienced significant growth. The company's net income has seen a substantial increase of 102.9%. This significant jump in net income is largely attributed to the improvement in profit margins. The gross profit margin, in particular, has shown a notable rise from 49% to 67.6%, representing an increase of 18.6 percentage points. This upward trend can be linked to the company's revenue growth, which stands at 9.4%. As revenue increases, so does the potential for higher profit margins. The combination of these factors has contributed to the substantial growth in net income and profit margins, indicating a positive financial performance by the company. The company's financial performance indicates a decline in its ability to generate positive operating cash flow. Specifically, the 6 months ending June 30, 2025, saw an operating cash outflow of $16,051,841. This negative trend suggests that the company is struggling to cover its operational expenses, posing a challenge for its long-term financial sustainability. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. Notably, the early detection and precision multiomics segment performed well, with a reportable segment revenue of $10.5 million for the 6 months ended June 30, 2024. In terms of regional performance, Japan saw significant growth, increasing its revenue from $225,591 to $2.15 million over the same period. Thailand and Indonesia also showed improvement, albeit from very low bases, with revenues rising to $1.18 million and $378,280 respectively. On the other hand, Singapore's revenue declined by 44% to $3.4 million, while the PRC saw a modest increase of 18% to $3.21 million, still lower than Singapore's revenue. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook, driven by key developments such as the FDA's breakthrough device designation for GastroClear TM. They anticipate widespread adoption of non-invasive tests like LungClear TM and expect several product candidates to reach completion milestones in the next few years. The company also plans to initiate clinical trials for CRC-1 in Singapore and China, further solidifying their growth prospects. There were no notable acquisitions or divestitures in this period. The company's financial strategy focused on organic growth and internal development rather than external transactions. The company has a history of paying dividends to its stakeholders. In recent years, it has distributed a total of $1,619,054 to non-controlling interests and shareholders through dividend payments. This indicates that the company prioritizes returning value to its investors through regular dividend distributions. That concludes the financial summary for MIRXES-B. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.